Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we explore the wonderful world of art. And today, we're diving into the basics of drawing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video is perfect for you. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. Before we start sketching, let's make sure we're set up for success. Grab a comfortable chair, good lighting, and arrange your materials neatly. This will help you focus and enjoy the process. Now let's talk about the building blocks of drawing, basic shapes. Circles, squares, triangles, these are the foundation of many drawings. Practice drawing these shapes to get a feel for proportion and form. Next up, let's talk about lines and strokes. Experiment with different line weights. Thick and thin lines add depth and interest to your drawings. Practice making confident, fluid strokes. Now let's put our skills to the test with observational drawing. Find a simple object around you, a mug, a fruit, or even your hand. Observe the shapes and details and try replicating them on paper. To bring your drawings to life, let's add some shading. Start with simple shading techniques like hatching and cross-hatching. This adds dimension and realism to your artwork. Now let's combine everything we've learned. Pick a simple subject, a flower, a cupcake, or even a cat, and sketch it using the basic shapes, lines, and shading techniques we practiced. And there you have it, the basics of drawing. Remember, practice is key, so keep honing your skills and experimenting with different subjects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy drawing.